How is everyone this morning? Welcome to Life in the Valley. It's March 2nd. It's starting to warm up. It's a nice day. Good because, we gotta put a starter in this thing. And, sorry, can't really see, but in that brush pile over in there, there's the Massey. It's kind of buried. But once we get the starter in this, we're gonna probably pull the brush pile out over there and put the steering box and all that stuff back in the Massey. We just tore the whole column and everything out of it. There's like a worm gear on the bottom of the steering shaft, a bunch of ball bearings, and it all messed up. So yeah, got some new parts for it and the skid steer. We gotta tear a whole bunch of stuff apart to get in there. It's gonna be joy. But yeah, gonna fix everything today. So yeah, should be a good day. I'll bring you guys along for the adventure and see how we fix some stuff in the middle of the bush. Gonna be fun. Well, we'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, so still waiting for Corey. Beauty day out here though. But yeah, show you guys where the Massey is. The Massey is in there, a little bit buried. Poor deer too. Oh well. See what we can get done today. So yeah, still waiting on Corey here, but I made a new intro there the other day. Let me know how you guys like it. I think it's okay. It took me a while to make. Still getting used to the whole editing thing, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to start adding music to my videos, like then the time lapses and all that type of stuff, and when I'm not talking. Starting to bring out my old phones to record and stuff like that, so I'll have more angles and stuff on things. Yeah, hopefully it works out okay. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, hope you guys like the video. So this guy finally decided to show up. What do you gotta say to everyone, Corey?
It's fucking horse shit. There's a hammer. Look at that.
Jeez. So welcome to Corey's truck. Just a disaster for freaking guy. Wow. Got the starter of the skid steer off to get another one. So yeah, we're just going to Tormont. Not in the city there. It's getting a rebuilt starter. Even a rebuilt one, Tormont's brand rebuilt one is $400. An actual one from Cat, it's gonna be like $1,000 for a rebuilt one. Pretty crazy, but yeah, we need it, so getting that fixed, and then gonna start on the Massey. Supposedly we talked to a guy there, he deals with them quite a bit. It's just a terrifying mess, I guess, to get everything back in together, so it's gonna be lots of fun. There's lots of little ball bearings that can fall out and all that good stuff. So yeah, see what we can get done. It's about an hour or so into the city, depending on traffic, maybe a bit more. But yeah, I'll take you guys along for the adventure. Nothing too exciting happening, but yeah, hopefully we can get some stuff done. So there goes Corey into Tormont with the starter there. It's about 10 o'clock here now. We're in the good old Chitty City. So, yeah. Hopefully once we get this started, it'll go in fairly easy and be able to go ahead, get the skid steer going, get all that brush moved out of there, and get the steering shaft right here into the Massey, and then hopefully get everything going, get some wood out, and yeah, hopefully nothing breaks again. It's all in the pluses basically from next week out. It's March here, so starting to warm up. Probably only maybe 2 or 3 weeks left at this, and then we got to get a whole bunch of guys for dirt work. Me and Corey are just talking about that. There's hopefully get 3 to 4 crews going, which would be good. Yeah, get a whole bunch of fiber in the ground, and yeah, see how that goes. So Corey just got it with the new starter. Look at that shiny rig. Woo. Oh well, hopefully it goes in okay. At the famous Cabela's and Princess Auto, getting some parts. Oh yeah. So we went to Princess Auto, got a whole bunch of fancy gadgets. Corey's gonna start making his own YouTube videos here. He's got the holder there and everything, ready to go. What a guy.
That's right.
So back at Tormont again. We got the starter still. I guess we went to Cabela's and Princess and stuff there, but trying to waste some time because Corey needs to come back and get his money for the core charge or whatever. It's like I think it's a $300 or $400 core charge on the starter, so yeah, it's worth getting back. So we're just doing that, and then head back to the landing and start working on the skid steer, and then the Massey. So yeah, got McDonald's though, so like I'm happy. But yeah, heading back out of the shitty city here soon, and hopefully we'll go well. It's a nice day here, starting to warm up pretty good. So yeah, I'll see you guys back at the landing, I guess, unless something eventful happens. Quick pit stop at the old crappy tire for some oil. The lifeblood of the skid steer. Corey seems to think that it doesn't need any.
Oh, it's a cut.
That's all we're...
It's a cut. Like, it'll just run.
So we're going to get some oil for it. It's screaming at us. So good old crappy tire had no oil because of the good old COVID. So off to Wally World. So we got some oil at Wally World. We're back off to the bush, see what we can get done. We've landed back at the landing. Oh, show you guys what I sat. Yeah, I had to sit in that for like 2 hours. Lots of fun.
I think something's going on.
That's good. What a hard spot to put a starter though.
It's not so bad.
Would you look at that new starter on, all shiny, ready to go. Whew.
Not quite.
Not quite, but
We get wired.
yeah. Moment of truth.
You don't have any power.
Oh, she's got power. New starter. Yeah.
Fucking.
Annual oil fill up. Good and crusty.
Smells like old oil.
I'd probably stop and pull out the dipstick. Who knows, it might only take like a liter.
Just fill it till it comes out of the dipstick.
Yeah.
Nothing. Nothing yet.
Nothing yet, no.
What's oil soon?
Jesus. This poor rig just took that whole thing of oil and it's still just below the need oil line. Like, what? So we're gonna start cleaning up a couple of logs there now. We have the skid steer going, haul some stuff down, and maybe try to get some stuff cut today. But, yeah, got that set up. Hopefully, got a time lapse. Hopefully that works out. I got some more mounts and stuff for windows and all that for inside the skid steer and truck and all that good stuff. So hopefully get a little bit better content for you guys. But yeah, change the bucket, forks on that, clean this up, and go up and start getting some stuff. Just lock these pins back down. Should be good to go. Yeah. So we just finished up for the day here. Starting to snow pretty good. So yeah, I got the skid steer fixed. Got a couple drags of logs up. Got those all bucked. And yeah, been a decent day. Hope you guys like the video. And yeah, any comments, feel free. Yeah, till next time, I guess we'll see you guys again. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, have a great night, everyone.